In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to your safe senders list in Yahoo. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. When the Yahoo homepage loads, look toward the upper right corner and find the sign in option. Go ahead and click sign in. If you see an option to continue to Yahoo Mail with an existing account, choose that. Otherwise, enter your Yahoo email and your password on the sign in page. Follow the on-screen prompts and give it a moment to complete the sign-in process. If you're asked for any verification, just proceed as instructed until you're fully signed in. Once you're in, locate the mail link or icon near the top right of the Yahoo page and click it to button Open Yahoo Mail. Inside your mailbox, look for the gear icon, which is the settings menu usually in the upper right area. Click the gear, then select More Settings from the menu to open the full settings panel. In the left-hand list, choose Filters. This is where you'll create a rule that makes sure messages from a specific sender go where you want them. Click. Add new filters. You'll see a form appear. Start by typing a clear, memorable name for your filter, something like Safe Sender for easy reference. Next, select a filter criterion. Choose the option to match messages that contain specific text, then pick the field you want to check. From is usually best for safe sender rules. In the box that appears, type the sender's email address exactly as it appears in their messages. Using the contains condition allows you to match the full address or a domain, but be precise to avoid catching unintended emails. Now choose where those messages should go. Look for the safe list destination and click it. If your layout shows a similar option like safe senders or a designated safe list area, select that. This tells Yahoo Mail to trust messages that match your filter and handle them accordingly, helping them land where you expect. When everything looks correct, click Save. This applies your filter immediately. From now on, messages that meet the criteria you set, such as emails from that specific address, will be treated as safe according to your selection. If you don't see messages right away, give it a moment or send a test email from that sender. You can always return to Filters and More Settings to edit the name, adjust the contains text, or change the destination if needed. That's it. You've added a sender to your safe list in Yahoo Mail, ensuring important messages don't get lost.